In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a text reveal animation in Canva. Let's dive right in and get started. The first thing you'll want to do is open Canva. You can easily do this by heading over to Canva's website on your browser. If you haven't already, sign into your account or sign up if you're new. Now that you're in, the magic begins. Once you're logged into Canva, the next step is to create a new design. On the homepage, you'll find various template options ranging from social media posts to presentations. You can choose a layout that best matches your end purpose. For this tutorial, let's say you're working on a standard Instagram post, so click on that to open a blank canvas. This is where your creativity can truly shine. Now that your design is open, look to the left-hand side of your screen. Here, you'll see a panel with a variety of options. Click on the text option. This allows you to add text boxes to your canvas. Type in whatever word or phrase that you would like to animate. This text will be the star of your animation. For maximum visibility, it's crucial to choose bold fonts. Bold fonts not only catch the eye, but also make your animation easy to read. With Canva's extensive font library, simply scroll through and select one that suits your style. Once happy with your choice, click on your text to highlight it. With the text selected, look to the top of the screen for the Animate button. This is where the fun starts. By clicking on Animate, you're presented with a menu of animation options. Scroll down to find Text Reveal Animations. These animations will create that captivating effect of letters appearing in sequence. Choose the one that best fits the vibe you're going for, whether it's sleek and professional or playful and dynamic. At this point, you've essentially created a dynamic and sequential text reveal. Take a moment to preview the animation to see how it looks. Adjust the timing or spacing if needed to get it just right. With Canva, it's simple to make tweaks until everything looks perfect. Once you're satisfied with your animation, you'll want to share it with the world. Head up to the top right corner of your screen and click Share. From there, select Download and opt for the MP4 format. This ensures your animation retains its movement and flair, ready for upload to social media or any other platform you choose. And that's it. You've successfully created a text reveal animation using Canva. Feel free to explore and experiment with different texts, fonts, and animations to suit any occasion. Thanks for watching, and happy designing.